Easy Way coaching classes brought you short revision of all trigonometric formulas. So first of all, start with sine theta. So sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So reciprocal of sine theta is nothing but cosec theta. It is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Now cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. And now sec theta is reciprocal. Hypotenuse by what? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Now write down the value of tan theta. Formula of tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side, and which is nothing but equal to 1 by cot theta, and also equal to under root of sec square theta minus 1, and value of cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. What is adjacent side by opposite side? It is reciprocal of tan theta, and we can also write it as under root of cosec square theta minus 1, the cot theta. And then, as we know, the fundamental identities sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from this equation we have derived another one, which is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So these are all basic formulas from which we can do anything. So let me give you some of insights. So 1 plus tan square theta, so I can write it as sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So sec square theta minus tan square theta can also be broken down like this: sec theta minus tan theta multiplied by sec theta plus tan theta equals to 1. So sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. So, and again 1 plus cot square theta can be also broken down into cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So cosec theta minus cot theta multiplied by cosec plus cot theta equals to 1. So what is value of cosec theta minus cot theta, or cosec theta plus cot theta? Cosec theta plus cot theta, it's C actually. So C. is equal to 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta. So these two are shortcut formulas which we have derived, so which will help us in evaluating many questions. So please try to remember and never forget these all formulas, because these are very basic. So this is short description or short revision of all the formulas which are basic in nature. So thank you so much. Like, share, do hit like, share and subscribe to Easy Way Academy. Thank you.